Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your iPhone 6 or 6 Plus from any carrier. And let's start with this. You have to unscrew the bottom with the star-shaped screwdriver. And make sure you keep all the screws, because you lose something, it's going to be hard to get the same size for these kind of screws. So I'm gonna use a flat screwdriver to lift up the screen. You could use a suction cup. I just like to use a flat screwdriver, just kind of easier for me to pull it. I got another tool I could use to lift up the screen and kind of take it off. So this is it right here, something similar to this, and you want to do it gently because you don't want to mess up any internal parts on the phone itself. So you want to do it from one side, then go to the other side and lift it up slowly. When you're fixing the iPhones, you want to be very gentle when it comes to ribbon cables. So when you lift up this, just keep the screen straight up like that and kind of hold it just like the way I did, and you want to take off these 5 screws. If you kind of push the screen back further, it'll break the cable, so you want to be really careful with that. So gently remove the ribbon cables with a flat screwdriver. Very gentle. And once you do that, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be moving all the parts, the metal parts, the the home button, the fingerprint, and the front camera from the old screen to the new one. And here is the new screen. So we're just going to be moving everything from the left to from the old screen to the new one. So let's start with that. So very gently we're gonna remove the home button. There's you have to release the ribbon cable from the connector, then very gentle lift it up, and there's the screws on the side. We're gonna be removing 6 of them, 3 from each side, as you see here. So 3 on this side, 3 on the other side, and the top screw, and we're going to be removing these 3 screws on top as well. These are the ones that are holding the front camera and the front speaker and the earpiece. So let's start with that. Now we're gonna put the metal piece, and that's the connector for the home button with the motherboard. So we're gonna put the front camera first. Make sure when you put the cables that they are in the right order, so they go in the right order on the motherboard. So, and that's basically the front camera, the earpiece on the device. And you want to do this very gentle. You do not want to press very hard or it will break the ribbon cable. So you want to be really careful, guys, and just do it step by step. Don't do it too quick. So is it, guys. This is the end of my tutorial. Now the phone is fixed, fully function. Please take the time to like and subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.